Excellency.
Welcome to Manila.
Thank you so much, Excellency.
Hi. See you again. Hi.
Morning po, ako po yung Lola.
Ano? Oh, ikinit sa akin.
Opo.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Yung clinical health po.
Oh, thank you. Okay na sila. Oh, thank you. Oh, magaganda na ang kulay nila. Yes. Hello. Jiggy.
They're happy to see you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you so much.
Sorry for the dim light. We
Excellency.
we have to do it.
From the Apollo Hospital,
Oh, thank
Excellency,
you.
for you.
Oh,
And
thank
this is my card, Excellency.
So you went all the way from India to
Yes,
visit us?
Excellency.
Oh, the dim light is trying to cut as many as we can, as much as possible to really,
Yes, I think it's better, Excellency.
because of the challenges in the
In
Middle
the
East.
Middle East, even the India is also facing the same challenges right now with the liquid petroleum gas also.
Yeah.
So many restaurants have stopped.
We just sent a big batch to
Yes.
India last week,
Yes,
to Apollo
Yes.
and your other institution,
Max Hospital.
Max Hospital.
Yes.
They went here a
Yes.
few days ago.
We saw your pictures on
yeah.
Facebook, and we would like to thank you for the thing you are doing for the babies. These are your babies in the Philippines, and we are very happy that they are getting their treatment on time, and you can see the happy faces.
Well, thank you to Jesus.
Thanks to you.
And thanks to the taxpayers of the city of Manila.
That's good. But Jesus come with the face of someone in the life of these kids.
I'm just happy for them, especially the parents. You know, especially nowadays, hard time. About, I think yesterday, I really feel sad. There are two twins
Okay.
going to be operated here in one of the private hospitals. They're from somewhere south. The challenge is that the piece that is going to be utilized from the mother is good only for one.
Okay.
So they have to choose. But I already said approve. If you find somebody who is willing to,
Yes, somebody who is willing to donate.
don't worry about the money. Will pay. What matter most is that
The life of
at least I can walk around the city and face our taxpayer to, you know, please tell them that they have saved lives.
That's true. And whenever they are coming to Apollo Hospital, they are just thankful to you, and they are saying that it is from the government of Philippines who is supporting them, and it is from the mayor's side they have come to Apollo Hospital.
I'm just a bridge from the taxpayer to the one who's seeking help. Tulay lang ako. That's why I always tell them when they get their checks, I told them, now it's time for you to pray because the rest is in the hands of the Lord.
That's true.
Yeah, the doctors will do their part, government did their part, you as a parent did your part, and we did our best and we'll leave God the rest. And I'm happy that most kids survive
Yes.
new life.
So would just like to update you also. We have done the 200 transplant from Philippines and Philippines baby, and soon we are just arranging one get together with all these 200 families, and our success rate is near about 98.9%.
Wow.
Yes.
We'll send you more when they come here.
So Dr. Anupam Sibal is the one who comes first in 2017 and met the gastroenterologist here. The first baby was Jermaine, who came in 2017. She is the mother of Jermaine. Yes, and after that the things started in 2017, and we are in the bridge of 200 transplant.
Yeah. Even when I was vice mayor then, when I was vice mayor, I tried to pool some resources every other month. Yeah. At the time. 2015.
Yes.
We've been doing this for quite some time.
Hey.
This time, thanks to the people of Manila making me a mayor, I have more resources while it is limited, but I have priorities.
Yes.
I prioritize government expenses or programs focus on MBN, minimum basic needs,
That's right.
housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. That's how
The main
invest.
basic four needs.
Yeah.
You have already covered everything. And
I'm just happy.
just wanted to update you that apart from liver transplant, we have one baby who came through the bone marrow transplant also. This is also funded by the mayor's funds. So that baby,
Bone transplant, bone marrow. Oh,
One bone marrow lang.
yes.
that's also done. And the
Yes.
baby is perfectly fine, this
Wow.
child. And the baby have to be stay in India for another 2 months, and after that they can come back to the Philippines.
I don't know if you're familiar, but a few days ago I read the news that China came up with a medicine for type 2 diabetes.
It is still in the
The-
early
the
stage.
pro-
Yes.
I hope they'll,
they-
because I have a lot of, regularly I have dialysis patient. I think we have the biggest already in terms of number of units
Yes.
next to the national government. Dialysis centers in Manila, run by the city government. And if there will be medicine, I will buy the medicine so that they will stop doing dialysis. Or if there will be a cure,
That's
I don't mind. If India will find a cure, I'll buy from you. I really don't mind spending millions just to survive a life.
Apart from this, just wanted to update you that we are coming to Philippines also on regular basis, and we are in touch with St. Luke's Hospital and NKTI Hospital also. We already gave them a proposal that we wanted to train your doctors also
No,
to do
good.
the liver transplant here in Manila itself.
Try UPPGH. When during my first term as mayor,
Yes.
I celebrated my birthday with fundraising. I raised about 32 million pesos and donated everything to PGH. PGH. And after 3 years, last November, they had successfully operated biliary atresia. One kid. Maybe you can help them also, partner with them.
Surely.
They have a very good facility. Oh, now
I think we can take an
they
appointment.
bought all the machines from the funds and let they operated one.
Sure.
I think he's 9 or 11 years old. And he survived. Was successful. So now it is not impossible. The only thing that challenges the parents is the money.
Yes.
What matters most is that at 98%,
They will
They will survive.
that's a very good number.
Yes.
Very good number.
So
Because transplant is a life-threatening
this is-
procedure.
Mhm.
But at that rate, I'm really excited for them. For the parents especially.
Yes, our surgeon will be coming tomorrow just to meet the families. So we don't call the families over India again just to save their money. We don't do OPD here, we don't do anything. We just meet the parents. Parents says we are fine, perfectly okay. That's fine. So tomorrow he's coming. He will just see the families that everyone is doing good. He is meeting the 45 families tomorrow. So after that we'll.
And then nga pala, I would like to thank you because there was an incident wherein you asked the parent to bring the child already despite in the absence of the payment because
Baby
the city government of Manila said yes already. So you have the trust on us. So,
It's baby Aliyah.
Baby Ali, wait.
So-
wala pang bayad, pinabiyahe nila.
You know,
Parang
the patient came in an emergency. The doctor took the patient straight away to CT. He saw there is a tumor. He said, I am taking him directly to the operation theater. He did not wait for a single minute to check whether the money is there or not. After the operation, he called me whether the finance is cleared. I said, no, finance was not clear. He said, it's okay. I'll not take my fees. But the baby is saved. And we were very happy. As in Apollo hospitals, we thought that the baby saved first. For us, the life matters first.
that's what I believe also. Life
That's true. This is the
life.
reason, yes.
But as long as we said yes, guarantee we pay. The good thing about these things that while there are rules, we continue to follow the rules,
Yes.
wherein we issue a check to an institution
We received the amount also. Later on, we received
That's
the
how,
amount also.
for purposes of transparency.